Friends with benefits means you have sex with a friend. The chances that one of you falls in love despite a clear arrangement that you won't, are, in my empirical experience, pretty high. I mean, I for one fall in love with someone if he holds my hand. You can also develop feelings for a friend you are not having sex with. This is a person who understands you, who you are in some ways compatible with, who sees you for who you are. You can develop feelings for a coworker. There you are, together for hours, staying late at the office fighting the same battles. You can develop feelings for someone nonsensical. You are clearly not compatible and it would be plain ridiculous, and there goes your stupid heart. You can develop feelings for someone forbidden. Because it would be inappropriate. Because oh my god no. Because look at how he rests his hand on her thigh. It makes my gut ache. You can develop feelings for a stranger. He's holding a book, a real book, and sitting alone in a corner of the coffee shop. And feast your eyes on that guy in the park, lying on a towel in the sun. He's not wearing a shirt and there is a frisbee by his feet. The greatest tragedy I can fathom is to go through life feelingless. What would become of me if day in, day out I felt nothing? I can pretty much guarantee you, lucky you, will develop feelings for someone you would rather not. As such, the possibility of developing feelings is no reason not to do something.